is up, Lambros? It's SteveCarrington.com for new Lambros Steve. I am okay, hold on. I'm with Bill. Bill drives an Aventador that catches on fire sometimes. But he wanted to have a gentleman's car. He says this is a gentleman's car. Okay. So he got one of these weak ass Ferraris that are for parking. Anyway, but he has a Lambo. Colleen has a cooler Lambo. But he just put a new exhaust on it, and I told him it's not gonna sound very good.
You don't even know. You don't even know what kind of exhaust.
Tow truck guy over here just said it's not really that much louder. So I was.
He said it sounded awesome as soon as you walked off.
Oh, I bet it does sound awesome. It's probably just not that loud. Just start it up, and we'll see what your dad thinks. But seriously, we're gonna do the startup of the Ferrari 488 with the new exhaust, and he fixed the.
That sounds awesome.
Oh my God, that's amazing! It actually does sound good.
Like I said.
Wow. It's just the turbo's kind of killing a bit, but
Let me hear it. Step on it.
Oh, I get to step on it. I've never even been in a Ferrari. This is amazing. All right, just kidding. I've been in a Ferrari. Check it here.
When you're behind me and on the track tomorrow, you'll be able to hear it even more.
It actually is a fast car, so it is a very fast car. What do you think, bro?
So we increased it by about 150 horsepower. Went from 661 to whatever 661 and 150 adds up to. So
811? 811?
So it's a beast. It's going to be an absolute beast. I can't wait to actually get it on the track, or actually get it on the road here in just a little bit. Go for a drive.
But I do have a question real quick. Like, Ferrari's a good car and everything, but like, what do you put in the garage? Because I noticed this one's parked outside.
Well, it's parked outside right now, but it'll
well,
go
I
in the
mean, I was
garage.
wondering, maybe did you park the better cars inside? Is that what's?
No.
Oh, let's go look. Let's just go look. Let's look. Let's go look real quick. You have to see what's actually in the garage, because the Ferrari's outside, right? Here we go. I'll open the garage. Here we go. Okay, here we go. I won't show you guys. I'm gonna hit the garage door opener. Where's the garage door opener? Aha! Okay, here we go. I'll go around this way so you can see. Would you look at that? A Lambo! A Rolls and another Lambo. This one's beautiful, guys. Look at this purple. Colleen's Lambo. Sounds way better than a Ferrari. So, we're in Houston, and tomorrow's track day, 4th of July. We're going to MSR. So I'm sure I'll get some footage of that, but I'm out of breath from running. So I had to go show you what was actually in the garage. But anyway, give Bill a shout out. Go follow Bill and Colleen, their Ellison collection, on Instagram. And check out this beautiful Ferrari 488. It actually is a very hot and sexy car. So, and it actually does sound good. I will say it must sound good. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Tomorrow's track day. We'll be back.
Bye, everybody.
Bill says bye. Bill says bye. Okay, Lambros. Check it out. I'm here with Bill and his 488 that just got a tune. And, you know, he said it's faster. He said it's faster than my Lambo. So we brought it out to see about that. And, let's do it. Do you hear that? That's the sound of a Ferrari not running. He's pissed. I guarantee you he's pissed, but I don't think it's funny because it's his car. Like, I want it to run. I just think it's funny because it's a Ferrari, and Ferraris are for parking, so you shouldn't probably try to race a Lambo. To be honest with you, the car probably saw the Huracan and just gave up. It was like, nah, I'm out. 'Cause that don't sound good. Hey Bill, that don't sound so good, man.
There wasn't how good it did sound.
Dude, I just said he wanted to come out and race the Lambo. I think your Ferrari took one look at this Huracan and was like,
Maybe
nope.
that's what it was. Maybe that's what it was.
Nope, I'm out. I think I'm shutting down.
Hello.
So, calling the tow truck guy to come get it. But, because he just towed it from the place that'll go unnamed, that just tuned it and put a new exhaust on it. So, I don't know what's going on, but it's basically saying, I don't like this. I don't like this. So, reserve for parking. He can't be happy. So, oh, the cops are here.
Behind your left shoulder?
Patrol supervisor. So,
Okay, that's probably exactly what happened.
the police.
I heard a hissing noise, and I videoed it. It was literally wasn't even out of my neighborhood.
Oh, what they're doing.
As soon as I heard that.
So, I'm gonna go back to my hotel and then we're gonna go to dinner. And I'm just adding this to the end of that last video. So, if anything else happens, I'll throw on the camera later.